Hello, this is Mrs. Fossey. I'm going to be going through a Canvas tutorial on using the iPad app. For this demonstration, I have my iPad turned sideways so that I can see more on the screen. Opening up the Canvas app, it is set to the dashboard. If you look at the bottom, the item that is showing on the screen will be in gold. If you're not seeing all of your courses or you want to change what courses show up on your dashboard, for example, second semester, you'll want to make sure that all of your courses appear, you can at any time touch See All to see every course you're enrolled in, or if you touch the back button and then go to Edit at the top, the courses with the gold star are the courses that show on your dashboard. So from here you can touch to remove and take away the gold star, or touch to include, and those are the courses that show up on your dashboard. Moving across the bottom, you have a calendar. On the calendar, if there is a blue dot below the date, that lets you know that there are items on the calendar for that date. Those are due dates, and from here you can click or touch on the assignment, and you can go directly to that to read it. Going back to the calendar, again touching on specific dates, you can see what was due on those days or what is coming due on future dates. You also have the to-do list. The to-do list lets you know items that you have not submitted yet or that still need your attention. From here, you can select the assignment or the item and go through submission. In addition, from this view, if you would like for the assignment to be in full screen, above the assignment title in black, there are two diagonal arrows. If you touch on those arrows, it brings that screen full screen across your iPad so that you have more room to view and to work. Likewise, if you touch those arrows again, you can shrink that back down and see the side menu item. Touching on notifications at the bottom, this will give you a list for every day of all assignments, all announcements, quizzes, and so forth that you have for each day. Again, touching on these items from this location brings you directly into that specific assignment or that announcement. Again, touching on the two diagonal arrows, you can make that assignment screen full screen. Touching on it again brings it back so that you have the side menu. The last item across the bottom is the inbox. I don't believe it's frequently used at this time, but this is an area where teachers can message you, message the entire class or individuals or specific students. You can also touch the plus sign if you need to message a specific instructor, including files as well, by touching the paperclip at the top. Going back to the dashboard, looking at the top left-hand corner, you'll see three lines. From here, you have the option to view files. These are files such as submissions that you have already turned in for classes. You can go back and review or look at those files. You also have the option of a search box where you can type in a keyword if you're looking for a specific file. Going back, you also have, if you have created previous profile pictures or conversation attachments from the inbox, you also can create folders and you can add files. This is probably similar to Google Drive. I don't know that it would necessarily be used, but it is an option here. Going back again to the three lines, you have the option to show grades by turning that on. Across the top of the courses, you will see a percentage. That percentage is for assignments that have been graded in Canvas only. I wouldn't use these as your official grades. Your official grades still reside in Harmony. So these are just grades that have been turned in through Canvas. The help feature gives you the option to ask your instructor a question. Typically, I assume you would do that through email. You have the inbox as well. Here's another option. Searching the Canvas guides is a place where you can get additional help if you're having issues with Canvas. Reporting a problem will send a message to our tech department, not Canvas tech department, letting us know if you have an issue. If you do report through here, which I don't recommend, I recommend sending us an email or sending your instructor an email with issues. But if you do use this, we do get the report along with your name and the description of your issue. If you simply put, "This isn't working," that we really can't help you with the issue, and I simply reply back and let you know that I need more information. Submitting a feature idea allows students to give suggestions to Canvas developers if there's something you'd like to see within the Canvas app. You have the option to change user. I don't see how that would be used. And the final one is to log out. If you're having issues with the app, my suggestion is to log out of the app, log back in, and see if the problem is corrected. The last item across the settings or profile area is the cogwheel at the top. If you touch the cogwheel, you have the option to edit your profile. From your profile, you can make some cosmetic changes, such as the background header. And if you would like to change your profile picture by building an avatar, taking a picture from your iPad camera, choosing a saved picture, or adding a cover photo here. You have the About. It just tells about your login information. The landing page allows you to customize when you open the Canvas app what first shows when the app is open. So for example, most students have the courses listed, but you can choose to launch with the calendar or the to-do list, notifications, or messages. Most students, I would think, would want the courses to show or possibly the to-do list. For notification preferences, you can set how you are notified for various tasks completed in Canvas, or if assignments are due, assignments have been graded, announcements, and so forth. The top allow notification and settings. Your iPad is set to notify you when assignments have been created and so forth in Canvas. You can customize your email address and how you are notified, what types of activities in Canvas notify your email by turning off and on. You also have the option of adding a cell phone to your Canvas notifications. To add the cell phone, you need to do this through the web browser. Once you do, you can choose to turn off and to turn on different notifications for that number. Please keep in mind that when you turn on notification preferences for email or for text messaging, it will be for all courses. You cannot pick and choose notifications for different courses. And that is everything in the Canvas app for iPads. The next tutorial I will show you is how to access Canvas through a web browser. Thank you.